welcome back. Have you checked out Week Mix Media? No? What? What are you waiting for? It's right here on YouTube. Go ahead, type it in. Week Mix Media right on YouTube. Subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification. See you soon.
Hello, lovely people. Bless you for coming. Another update on our board here. So today, I'm taking you through what's trending, and we have two updates on our board. One is coming from our very own Dr. UN Scam, and also one video that is circulating on the media top that has got a lot of people talking like crazy. Okay, so before we do that, if you've been new here, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. If you used to come here but still they subscribe, I beg subscribe for more updates. What I say. So let's dive into today's update, and we're starting with this video that is circulating on the media top. So in this video, one man grabbed this guy, this young guy with him. The thing say now this guy be thief. So as them grab him, it was at night. We them grab this guy. So as them grab him, they were like interrogating him. They were like busy him questions. What be matter for coming there? So as they ask this question, the kind of answer with this guy came up with, it will shock you, because I know he heard some before. Hey! Format. So as them base this guy, what be matter for coming there? The way this guy they come talk saying, you no be thief, oh, me I no be thief. Sometimes I do go around at night, where they use my ear to go around people with my windows to hear the sound that is coming from their knacking. So as I hear that kind of sound now, I use that kind of sound to masturbate. This is crazy. Because I know hear some before. They got you as a thief. You say, nah, I know be thief. This is my first time coming here. And most of the times, I go around at night just to listen to how people they knock, the sound where they come, it make me feel good. Where I use it to like do masturbation. Say, nah, this guy is crazy. And the video is circulating. I've got people talking like crazy, and I just want to share with you. So without wasting your time, please subscribe to the channel. Charlie, me. Let's go through all this video.
What's your frozen? Who ran him here then? Joe. I see ya. What's our comfort? Mautiso. We are comfort. What's our comfort? 11 o'clock. What's over there? I call you up, but I'm one kind of question. What's over there? Kasakasi. Kasakasi. What's over there? What's over there?
So like no harm, me come out for window, China, which came a cottage. I need to say, what do you want? No mention a cottage.
No, I didn't.
Some no my pay.
What? Why then? What you can't hold about? What is it? You have said. Hey, talk to me. What's in our day? I dear one of my mouth for window chair. We are. What you come for? Who you be at the other? Into who could you be? Mean, said you can you what's saying? Could you not be in the children of quite my number? Could you not be in the ticket of what now? I dear one of my way. What rough did the name?
Patrick.
There's a Patrick for Musuman on the wall. Joe Patrick. What dear mammy wrong name? I'm a new cold fee. Mautiso.
Yes, so Charlie, guys, that be the video for you. And Charlie, this is insane, because how can you tell me this story? How can you tell me this story? See them grab you, with them to suspect you to be a thief. As they come ask you, say, what be your matter for coming there? Or say, I no be thief, oh, I just go around sometimes, they use my ear go around people that are windows to hear the sound that is coming if they are knocking. Bro, this is crazy, bro. And this guy needs like psychiatric. If this no be format, then I think this guy needs medical attention. What else? Yeah, so moving on from there, I'm taking you straight to our very own Dr. Yuan scam. And this one is not good news that is coming in. Dr. Yuan, it's been a while seeing Dr. Yuan on our screens. And yesterday, man came up with a video pleading with Ghanaians and the celebs to help him with his medical bills because he's suffering from diabetes and at the same time kidney problem. This is really sad. And Charlie, when you see the man, I see nah, Dr. Yuan Wayare, what I say, I'm bandaging and nine and and I have the video here where I want to take you through. So after they go through the video and get any help to help Dr. Yuan, Charlie, forget about the past, what I say, because people don't they believe this, people still they believe that now this be antis where your man they come up with. Until let's go through and watch the video. When we're back, we will talk more about that.
And therefore, we are seeing Dr. Yuan fans, ne, ma'am, money, Minamote, Mama, I are for no money, but Yare, a commercial there, match it, and watch it, doctor for a canum there, mint, it's he, met to myself, Ubibia, our Behu video, he said, where memoir, Captain Smarts, a new crew. Media General, multimedia, celebrity side, number 20 on movies, Shatawale, Sako, the medical. The guys are Munya more fraternity. I'm down. So I want to me bills, me reports. Kakraka, some more, 7 Masumo. I mean to be in your holiday. Back to life. Yeah, Jimmy 2 and D4. The chamber and the producer. Here more delay. And I'm on my ground. Oh, yeah.
Dr. UN, Yare Abebon Kakra. Na doctor say Okono Kokoye surgery. Na surgery nso na when you say kidney surgery so de enye asem ketwa. Bakofo entumi nye. Your papa yamo, yes, kakra, bakoye surgery, or Coconfanochi Hospital na bills nene labs are all yeno and yasem ketwa. They see any that's was a pan.
When ya and quassed it. Now may your face, I'm holding. We are doing a more thing. You say, Tim and Campbell, Baby soon. Say, one many that's so. Sick as some idea, mamma. Hospital seminar a car while I said, what do you need to have me out? Get me film. Easy. Some we are never more.
In the condition in your cry, because of Sessican, you want to mean that hospital. Ocean and 9 crown now, the 9 crow, iron and 9 because of diabetes. Just say, want to mean and cry your shit. Now, to say, you know, say, it's saying about budget.
Now 400,000 dollars.
Open up a canoe, and why a jing papa, Sebeca Fred, the year moon poor culture. No video being Trimunco, young brave of the 8-year one.
What's the idea in it's through my world, the baby, I'm a job for no. Why not slow? But I don't know on your man, yeah. I swear I did so. I didn't know the money, yeah. What's the idea in it's through my world, the baby, I'm
Thank you very much for staying true to the sense with that big Dr. Yuan for you. And this is not looking good. While they are here, let's help our brother, Dr. Yuan, to come back to life. Thank you very much for staying true to this end. My name is Andy. See you on our next update. Bye-bye.
Yo. It's your boy Cocky Smart. So we will pay entertainment news via, trending news via, and cover via Weakness Media, obey the correct amount. Hey, oh, I don't maybe know. Mr. When you cancel the power show. Subscribe my. Say the bay, the BB up to ma, Ubenya. Why, me that's it. Cool.